This 2021 Grand Design Momentum 399th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 43 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleep 7, oven, refrigerator, air conditioning, skylight, microwave, smoke detector, TV, Slideout, awning, spare tire kit, and 155 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Momentum 399th is 15,900 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.